Hello, you guys. I'm back from vlogging. Anyway, how are you doing? For today's video, guys, I'm gonna share with you my recipe how to make fish and chicken gumbo. When you know how to cook, then there will be no problem for you to, mix match your recipe. You can make any kind of ingredients you want. We have okra here, onions mixed with green onions, we have bell pepper, carrots, and that's our leftover chicken. Yeah, we can mix that with our gumbo. And that's potato and celery. So here we go, we're gonna start here. First thing, we're going to stir fry our okra. We're just gonna wait till our oil heats up before we put our okra in. Okay, actually you really don't need that much oil, but since I put that in there already, I'm gonna use it. Okay, so I guess our oil is hot enough now. Watch out! Woo! There we go. Hear that cooking. Best part of cooking is when you hear foods. There you go. It sounds crunchy. But watch out, because it's gonna splatter. You don't want it. It's gonna splatter on your skin. We're just gonna cook this through. So we're just gonna cook this through, guys. The idea here, why I want the okra to be stir fried so that it won't be slimy when I mix it in the gumbo. If you don't want your soup to be slimy, then fry your okra. And there. When it turns brown like this, you can turn the thing off. Yeah. So we're gonna set it aside just like that. And so here we go. We're gonna saute. We're gonna start sauteing our onions and green onions. Woo! Oh, I like that smell. Smells really good. Let it go. Really good. So I forgot to show you this. You might wonder what are those mixed with the onion. Well, that's the basil, fennel, and oregano. That's what's in there. I just didn't show you. I forgot to take a video, and yeah. So after that, guys, we are gonna mix some carrots in there, some carrots and some potato. And oh my goodness, looking good already, even if it's not done yet. So right now, I'm just gonna add some chicken broth on this mixture. And then after that, I'm just gonna let it boil while cooking it in slow simmer. So after this, I'm gonna mix it, and then I'm gonna cover it and let it boil. Pararam, pam pam pararam, pararam, pam pam pararam. So here it is, guys. It already boils. I already put the leftover chicken in there, and it's so yummy. Now when you see it look like that, it starts boiling on the side, then you will have to start adding your fish. So in here I use cod because my husband is we are very careful in putting food on our table, on our belly. So right now he can't have shrimp, he can't have crab because of high cholesterol. So I'm just gonna use this one right here. So that's what you do. After that, we're gonna cover it a little bit, let it boil, and so that's what you do. You just leave it like that and let nature works its best. Yeah, let it boil. Leave it like that. Let it boil for like 3 minutes, and then we're gonna come back to it because we're gonna add this okra in here. Okay, so here it is about to boil. Well, I decided not to wait for it before I add my okra. So now I'm gonna, oh my gosh, it's really hard when you don't have, when your right hand, when your other hand is holding the camera and your left hand is holding the thing. It's not easy. I don't know, but this is very unplanned making video. I just happen to, I just happen to realize that I'm gonna cook some soup tonight. That's why it happened like this, and I don't know where I put my stabilizer, my camera stabilizer, so I don't know where it is. But yeah.
Stabilizer.
I mean, guys, sorry, not stabilizer, it's stabilizer. So you see, my kids are very smart. He's very smart. I'm glad that he knows what's the proper way of saying it. He said it's stabilizer, not stabilizer. So guys, now we're getting ready to mix it. We're gonna mix it so that all the flavors that's in that soup will get evenly distributed along with our yummy okra. So this is gonna be one healthy dinner. One healthy dinner, guys. Look at this. Can you believe how much you can do when you know how to cook? So many. I could make different ingredients by doing the same recipe but different ingredient. I mean, different way of making it, but the outcome is still quite similar. It just have a little it differs in the taste because it depends on how much ingredients you put in there. Well, it would taste much better if I would have added some shrimp in, and some shrimp and crabs and some that oysters, others part of seafood and sausages. But no, this is quite a healthy dish for my husband, not only for him but for the entire family. We're trying to avoid shrimp for this time. Actually, I really love shrimp. Oh, I like shrimp, especially my kids. They love shrimp and crabs, but so sad, not so sad. But we can't put it in here right now because my husband, as I said before, he has quite a restriction on his diet, and we cannot have those added ingredients here, like what I said, the shrimp and the crab. But I did use it before. It's already so delicious. It looks so, it tastes really good already. But the last part I'm gonna do in here is I'm gonna be adding some spinach. So it's gonna be really colorful later on. Blah, blah, blah. Just cover that for a little bit, wait for 5 minutes, and it should be done. And here we go. The last thing we're gonna add is spinach. Yeah, to bring color to my world, bring color to the world of food. Make it colorful, make it deliciously colorful. Not just delicious, but colorful. Yeah. So it's actually done, and the spinach don't really take that long time to cook. It only cook like 1 minute, and it should be done just like that. You see? And I'm done. Look, guys. Look what I make today. It's so good. So this is what I call chicken, fish and chicken gumbo. I'm gonna take some for my husband. See how he likes it. Look at that, guys. Isn't it so yummy, delicious? So, yan, 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 yan. Let me see if my husband Let me see if my husband will like it. Let's give it to him. Let's give it to him. Let's give it. See how it is. Dong 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 dong. So now you are, honey. Come on, taste it. See how it is.
I'm not tasting that stuff.
See first.
I'm not.
Come on, cause I'm making a.
What is that?
Soupy soup.
Honey.
Okay, taste it first. Taste it first. It better be. You better say it's good. How is it?
Fantastic, honey.
See?
This is
Yeah,
good.
so yummy. Good.